Through the Norlake and Master-Bilt brands, RSG provides high-quality walk-ins ranging from quick ship to custom designed, with all models manufactured in the USA. As a partner in your long-term success, we're ready to help with all project phases, from planning to installation. The result is an easy-to-install, reliable walk-in with low operational costs. RSG Walk Ins fit a wide range of markets in retail and food service. So whether you're adding glass door display coolers to your C-store or more storage for your ghost kitchen, we have the answer. As a cost-effective solution, RSG can also assist with refurbishing your existing cooler or freezer with new doors, floors, and refrigeration systems. Because RSG designs and manufactures our own refrigeration systems, including self-contained, remote, and multi-compressor models, we can supply a complete solution to your cold storage needs. Plus, you can stay connected to your refrigeration through the internet with Logitemp electronic controller systems. Logitemp is standard on many systems and increases energy efficiency and food safety. And when it comes to reliability, our walk-ins are designed for many years of service with industry-leading warranties on panels and refrigeration systems. Should there be an issue, our nationwide network of authorized service providers is ready to assist. So whether you're planning new construction or refurbishing an existing structure, RSG is ready to help with dependable walk-ins that match your needs. Let us help with your next walk-in project.